closest supermassive black hole pair. NASA's Hubble and Chandra telescopes have captured the closest confirmed pair of supermassive black holes. Located within the merging galaxies MIC G0334-64. These black holes are approximately 300 light-years apart, and are actively feeding on surrounding gas and dust, emitting powerful radiation across the electromagnetic spectrum. The discovery of this close black hole pair is significant, because it provides a unique opportunity to study the final stages of galaxy mergers, and the behavior of supermassive black holes in extreme environments. Astronomers believe that these black holes will eventually merge into a single, even larger black hole, releasing a tremendous amount of energy, in the form of gravitational waves. This discovery highlights the power of combining observations from different telescopes to uncover hidden secrets of the universe. By studying this remarkable system, astronomers hope to gain new insights into the formation and evolution of galaxies and black holes. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Light Years Away YouTube channel for more interesting space videos.